So, as a matter of principle, guys, I just was in my nail room doing something completely different and discovered my nails that I did this week show much better the play of the purple and the blue when I dim my light down. So, in not so bright light, the colors come out much better. Here is the mermaid preview nail that I did, and here is what I have on my thumb, and I think both look equally beautiful. What do you think? So I just wanted to show you that sometimes super bright light in your workroom can be a bit of an obstacle, and the play of the glitters, the purple and the blue turns out much more beautiful here in this video, and I did not want to keep you from this color play. Very bright light and you just see white sparkles. And not so bright light brings out the colors much better. Who knew? Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.